Hello, this is Isaac. I would like to introduce you GMB&B daily rental. Okay, if you go to Manila, Philippines Manila, you will definitely go to Okada Casino. Next to this building, walking 1 minute to 3 minutes from the airport. 10 minutes grab, you can reach GMB&B. Okay, walk inside. We have a very comfortable room. This is called one studio, and we have 5 to 7 studio and more are coming. That is a sofa bed. You can press the key and then 2 meter long and sleep 1 people. Television. We have Netflix, YouTube, etc. and then you will have a wonderful night. The 7-Eleven in Okada, opening 24 hours. Let's go to the bedroom. We have double bed, very comfortable, choosing matching. Strong aircon in the living room and in the bedroom. And you will have clean toilet. So beside the facility of the room, washing machine and dry machine. Very, very good facility. One of the advantage at GMB&B is that we have a swimming pool. Let's go downstairs, the swimming pool, the gym room, and other facility. For 3 people, you can use the swimming pool for free. Start from the 4th people, there are a little bit charge. I will apply for you. In this building, I'm willing to bring my kids because the security level is good and very high. If you want to enter this building, your passport or name will be checked. The daycare center, yeah, now no one using. The gym room is here. There are 2 levels. So if you want to book the GMB&B, my line is ISAACLIP. My WeChat ISAACLIP. Okay, and then maybe you can also leave me a message in the social media. Thank you.